this is Ron with RTR Gearheads, and today we're going to be starting a little cleanup here. Give me a second, I'll turn you around and show you. We're at one of the locations that I've been helping a friend out for the past couple months, getting vehicles running because of his schedule. He didn't have time. Throughout the generations of this property, they've acquired, or the families have acquired, a lot of vehicles, be it lawnmowers, be it vehicles, either to fix and get running, sell them, part them out. Right here we have, I believe it's a 90 Civic, nice little coupe, all original. Behind that we got the 96 or 97, the one that I put the fuel tank in. Over here, you guys might remember this one. I actually didn't do the will it run on it yet, because we've been busy with the holidays and everything. But we're going to be doing some house cleaning. Down there, there's 3 vehicles. This right here, if you can see it, is the original farmhouse. In this overgrowth here, there's, I think, 2 conversion vans, a Honda Civic, another car, and another truck. And then we have a couple things here. Here's a CRX I pulled out when I pulled the one Jeep out of the hole back here. But we're cleaning it up. The dumpster's probably one of a few that we're gonna have. You guys might be familiar with this one. This is one of the first ones I did here at the farm. Alternator was locked up. Ended up needing a fuel pump and sending unit. We put a tank in it also. There is the 97 F350 Super Duty. It's got the 7.3 diesel in it. Here is the off-road Cherokee, although both of them are off-road. This one ran, started right up. It just needed an actual fuel tank. Fuel tank was nasty. They take it for rides back in the woods. They could never tell how much fuel was in it. Then we have the 79 F250. I've had a couple videos on this one here, getting it running. We also replaced a starter on it, 2 brake hoses, and still have to hook up. Right now we're running a boat tank under. It's got a brand new tank in it. So we're gonna be hooking its permanent fuel system up. Right here, this was also one of the first ones I did here at this location. It is actually the owner's father's Dodge 250 Custom. I believe it's got the slant 6 in it. Fired right up once we actually got the fuel system primed and cleaned. Again, then we have these. There's another 1, 2, 3 Civics. You can hear it running in the background. The old International we got running. Here's the bucket truck. I was gonna do a video on that, but literally all we did was spray some fuel in it. Started to run, pulled right off of the tank. Actually had a fresh tank of gas because I believe it sat for only 3 or 4 years. Over here, it's a nice old Dodge, but it's got the 12 valve Cummins in it. It was purchased actually just for the driveline, but now Junior, he has a Cummins also, a same generation Dodge. He's gonna get some parts off of it also. There's an infamous box truck, the S10. I believe that might be sold actually. And then here's the Road Runner that we pulled out of the weeds. A couple other vehicles. Down here you'll see a snowmobile trailer. That red and white Ford right there is a dually, I believe it's like an 84, 85, maybe an 86. F350. That is what the 12 valve Cummins is going to go into. And the owner is also going to do a 4-wheel drive conversion on it. But like I said, the area out here is beautiful. There's my truck. And then we're also going to be getting all the overgrowth from around the building. As far as I know, the box truck is staying here. The S10 going away. That's my car trailer that's going to be going away to another location. Believe it or not, this baby right here, we pulled out of the dirt right there. it's going to get redone. We actually have a donor vehicle, and he has a driveline for it. Well, only thing it's not is engine, so we're gonna actually see if we can get it up on a lift. But again, stay tuned for more updates. Might have some more on here. I might just have multiple parts. Apologize for the wind noise, but here's the first cannon up. We're actually gonna get the subframe out of it for our J-swap on the 99 red coupe. But I'll get you here in a minute with some footage of it actually rolling up to get torn. So here it is lifted up. And the track loader is back to work already. And this will actually be number 2. It is a 96, 97 coupe. We're actually gonna flatten the roof. And then we're gonna set that one on top of it. Then they'll go into the dumpster. So here we go. Letting off a little steam. I had my therapy with crushing the roof earlier. A little bit of everything. We'll be back with some more tire pressure now. Yes, sir. Might have to get it under and go around the front. Car down on top of the other one without any issues. And in a minute they're going in. We're gonna have to adjust it here and there. We want to get them pretty much lined up top to bottom and the centers of them. So take our time doing so, and then after this we'll go ahead and go around to the other piece of equipment and lower it down and make some final adjustments before getting in the trailer. first to load it up. Be it all known, actually there's 6 Civics he counted in total that need to go. All right, YouTube, and that wraps up day 1. Not even container 1, dumpster 1 on cleaning up the farm. So we will have a part 2 coming out. Like I said, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more Civics, a whole bunch of scrap, and some other things. It's Ron from RTR Gearheads. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, share videos. Let us know what you guys think about our content. Again, thanks for watching.